No cap, if you skip this video, you're tripping. Seriously. Y'all think you've seen it all? Nah, bruh. Peep this. We're talking a three-wheeled RV that's straight fire. It's not just a ride, it's a whole vibe. Stick around because the inside is where it gets absolutely bonkers. And trust me, you're gonna wanna know where to cop one of these beasts. Check the specs on this whip. It looks like a spaceship and a cruiser had a baby, and this thing is dripping in style. See that brown paint? That's not just a color, that's a whole mood. The design is legit a game changer. They smashed the mold. Look at those fat tires and that aggressive front fascia. You see the motorcycle DNA there, but then it switches up and hits you with that luxury RV feel. You're probably thinking, is this thing even street legal? Oh, it's legal, and it's turning more heads than a Bugatti. Wait till we pop the door, you'll never guess what kind of luxury they stuffed into this compact monster. All right, buckle up. We're stepping inside, and this is where the magic happens. Look at that leather. It's butter soft, fam. This ain't your grandpappy's crusty old RV. This is next level bougie. They somehow managed to fit a whole bachelor pad in this tiny footprint. You got the swivel seats, the wood accents, everything is customized. This is peak minimalism meets maximum flex. I'm not even gonna spoil the kitchen or the sleep setup yet, but let's just say you can be fully off-grid and still live better than most folks in a condo. Don't go anywhere because the next segment breaks down the secret tech that lets this thing go fully stealth mode. So, how does this tiny Titan handle the road? Better than you think. It's got suspension that rides smoother than butter, and it's surprisingly quick. But here's the kicker, the low-key genius part. The storage. Look at the back. It's got compartments big enough to swallow all your gear. They thought of everything. Plus, this thing is packed with smart tech, probably some solar panels we haven't even spotted yet. Imagine pulling up to a campsite in this bad boy. You'd be the main character, period. Everyone else in their gigantic buses, they're gonna be jealous. You seriously need to see the hidden feature that makes this the ultimate digital nomad rig. I'm talking about the moneymaker setup. Seriously, if you're stuck driving a four-door sedan or some beat-up van, you're sleeping on the future. This three-wheeled RV is not just cool, it's a statement. It's telling the world you prioritize freedom and style. This is your chance to ditch the rent, hit the open road, and live your best life. People are already lining up to get their hands on these, and they're gonna be sold out faster than concert tickets. Don't be the dude who sees this video a year from now and says, man, I should have bought one. Hit that like button if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 life, and subscribe because the next video is dropping the actual price on this thing. You do not want to miss that bomb drop. Tap the notification bell right now.